So that was the photo walk with the Fujifilm 16mm 2.8. I think I got a couple of cool photos with it. If you guys have any of your favorites or want to discuss any of the photos or have any questions about the lens, do drop a comment down below. I'll make sure to get back to you on that one. So just a couple of quick thoughts on the 16mm 2.8. It's one of Fujifilm's newer prime lenses, and it's in the same family as the 23 f2, the 35 f2 and the 50 f2. And I love all three of those prime lenses, which is why I loaned in the 16 2.8. And as with the other three, it's weather sealed, it's small, it's light, and it's the kind of lens where you can just stick it in your pocket or throw it in your bag and keep it with you, just so you have a wide angle option whenever you go somewhere. A massive thanks for watching this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up button if you did. And remember to hit that subscribe button too for more photography videos every week. Make sure to go out there and take some photos, and I'll catch you in the next one.